In this video, we're going to show you guys how to download Microsoft Excel on Windows in 2026. All right, so we're going to start out in a web browser. Any web browser is fine. And we're going to go to google.com. And from here, let's type Office Deployment Tool. We're going to want the first link from Microsoft, Download Office Deployment Tool. All right, and then I want mine in English, so I'll go ahead and press download. We will also have these links in the description of this video. Before we move on, we're going to make another search, and this one is for Office Customization Tool. We're going to see the first link from Microsoft again, and we'll click that. We're going to click this link to Office Customization Tool. We'll have a direct link to this again in the description box below. For the architecture that we want to deploy, it's going to be 64-bit, which is what our system is based on. And for products for Office suites, we're going to go with Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. And then next up, we're going to scroll down and we're going to deselect everything except for Excel. So we're turning Visio, Project, and additional products to none. Okay. And then below that, we'll have our actual applications. And again, we're going to uncheck everything except for Excel. And let's press next. Here we can select our primary language. And if you're watching this video, that's most likely English United States. If we'd like to, we can add additional languages or profiling tools. Let's press next again. We'll leave this as default. We're going to leave the update and upgrade also as default, except we're going to uncheck any MSI versions of Office. We're going to uncheck this. All right, let's click next. All right, here we have licensing and activation. If you haven't yet purchased your Microsoft Office license, be sure to check out Indigo software. We'll have those links in the description box below. We offer genuine Microsoft software at a great price. All right, moving on, we're going to click next through the licensing section. Here we have general. If we'd like, we can input our organization name or provide a description. I'll leave this blank for now, and we can go ahead and click finish. And again, we're just confirming. We can confirm everything here on the right. And again, I'm going to go ahead and press finish. All right, and then once we've configured everything, the last step is to hit this little export button. Here, I'm going to select Office Open XML formats, and I'll press OK. We need to accept the terms in the license agreement. We can name the file if we'd like to. I'll go ahead and name it Excel, and we can press export. We're going to press keep where it says it could harm our device, as this is coming directly from office.com, so it is safe. All right, next up, we're going to do a bit of organization. So let's go to where our files are being downloaded. All right, and for me, that is my downloads folder. So we just downloaded the Office Deployment Tool at the beginning, and we just downloaded the excel.xml. What we're going to do now is create a new folder, and we're going to just title this Office. Let's take the XML file and the Office Deployment Tool and drag those two files into the Office folder. Let's click into the new folder, and then right-clicking on the Deployment Tool, we're going to run this as an administrator. This will require a PIN or a password to do this. I'll enter my PIN now, and here we can accept the license terms, and we'll press continue. And then here we're actually being prompted to select a folder to store the extracted files. I'll drop below downloads, which is where we have the files that we just made. I'm going to select downloads and I'll press OK. It said files extracted successfully. So now if I go back to my downloads, all right, we'll click here to accept the license agreement. So we're going to go back into our downloads folder. Okay, and then we're going to double click into the Office folder that we've just moved those files into. Let's right click the Office Deployment Tool and we'll click Run as Administrator. Here we'll select Yes on the pop-up, and we can click here to agree. Press Continue, and we now actually want to route this to the folder that we just created. So under Downloads, we have our Office folder. We'll select that, and let's press OK. We can see that the files were extracted successfully. All right, so now that we've done this, we're going to go into our command prompt. All right, and we'll click Run as Administrator, and we'll select Yes on the pop-up. Now that we're in our command prompt, we're going to type CD, and then we'll do \Office. It's going to route us to the Office folder that we've just moved into our C drive. From here, we have a simple command. It's setup /configure space, and then this is where you would enter the name of the XML that we have exported. For me, that is excel.xml, and I can go show you guys again in the folder. We have excel.xml. This is again what we exported from the Office Customization Tool. So with that command entered, we'll press enter. Now I just got to notice that I have to uninstall some products first. So I have Visio and a few other things installed on this account. I'm going to quickly uninstall those. And if you get a similar message, it's very easy. Just go to Settings. We're going to go to Apps, Installed Apps, and it said Visio, Project, and Access, which were installed as a part of my Office installation. So I'll click Uninstall on Visio, and then I'll just repeat for Project and Access. All right, and we'll come back once that's done loading. All right, so we just finished uninstalling those additional applications. Let's run the same command again, and we'll press enter. All right, we can see that Excel is downloading here. We can see the logo here, which verifies that we are in fact getting Excel downloaded. We'll be right back with you guys once this is done. All right, guys, so we just got the notification that we are all set. Let's go ahead and hit close. And at this point, we can search for Excel, and we can see the Excel app has successfully downloaded. So the last step will be to open it, and we can see that we are licensed through our existing Microsoft license. And again, if you have yet to license the software, be sure to check those links down below. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any of the steps in this process, be sure to let us know in the comments and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. If you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo software. We'll have all the links down below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any ideas that you'd like to see made into videos, drop those in the comments as well. Most viewer commented video requests get made into actual videos on our channel. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.